Welcome to the LytxOne Hardware Installation Guide. In this video, you will learn how to install your LytxOne system quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, unbox your LytxOne installation kit and confirm you have everything you need. You'll find the LytxOne camera with the cable attached, the gateway, which is the central unit responsible for collecting vehicle data and managing connectivity between the system and the cloud. It comes with a SIM card pre-installed as well as a microSD card if included with your order, an OBD2 power cable, a safety screwdriver, alcohol wipes, zip ties, and cable clips. Before starting, complete the pre-installation checklist. Inspect the vehicle for any damage or cleanliness issues. Check the windshield for cracks or chips. Confirm the vehicle is operating normally with no warning lights, and finally record the gateway IMEI and vehicle name. Review all safety warnings and guidelines before installing the hardware to ensure a smooth installation and reliable system performance. Now, let's mount the gateway. Locate the OBD2 port under the dashboard near the steering column. Plug the OBD2 power cable into the port and connect the other end of the cable to the PWR OBD port on the gateway. Check the power. The green power LED on the gateway should light up to confirm a successful connection. Verify that the cell and GNSS lights have turned green as well. Next, you will want to connect the camera cable to the CAM port on the gateway and check the status LED on the camera to ensure it is powered on and operational. Once you have confirmed that the camera is functional, route the camera cable along its path and plug it into the gateway. Once everything is plugged back in and you have confirmed the status lights, mount the gateway under the dashboard or behind the diagnostic port, ensuring it is securely mounted, away from heat or metal, and does not obstruct vehicle operations. Use the included zip ties or cable clips to organize the cables by routing them neatly to prevent interference with pedals, vehicle controls, or the driver. Now, we will mount the camera. Position the camera on the windshield near the rearview mirror with the external camera looking through the wiper path. Make sure it does not obstruct the driver's field of view or interfere with any vehicle controls. Clean the mounting area with the alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. Then, attach the camera using the 3M mounting pad and press firmly. Hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. Adjust the road-facing and cabin-facing angles and lock the lenses in place using the included safety screwdriver. Run the cable from the camera along the top edge of the windshield. Use the included cable clips or tuck the cable under the glass seal to secure it neatly. Check the status LED on the camera to ensure it is powered on and operational. Finally, perform the post-installation checklist. Make sure to remove all blue protective stickers from the camera lenses. Ensure all screws are tightened, panels are reinstalled, and check for cellular and GPS connections. Test vehicle functions like lights, power windows, and climate control. Take photographs of the installation, including the camera and gateway's positions and cable routing. Congratulations! Your LytxOne hardware is now installed and ready to use. For more information, visit the LytxOne Help Center or contact your support agent. Drive safely.